Good Tuesday to you, everybody in Com 651. Welcome to week kaboom 7. How's everybody holding up? You doing okay? Let's get a little tea. It's later in the day, and I think I've passed the top of the curve for sufficiently caffeinated. So no more coffee for me for the moment. Okay. All right. Welcome to week 7. This is our second to last week. Good news. So this is the video in which we're going to talk about what it is that I would like you to be focusing on this week. And, the module is up for week 7. If you go over and have a look, you're going to see that really there are 2 things to focus on this week. Okay. First is the finalization and the preparation for your semester-long collaborative public relations campaign. All right. So if you go to the module for week 7, you will see that I'm asking everybody to pick a Zoom session time to present to me. And Zoom session times start Monday the 9th and run through Thursday the 12th, because I think I said in another video, the semester ends on Saturday, the 14th. That's it. Class is done. Finito. And since it ends on a weekend, I need to have everything wrapped up, be really right on, before close of business on Friday the 13th. Dun, dun, dun. So there isn't a link for sign up. I just want you to email me, and it's first come, first serve. And I'll tell you what I'll do. As I get email requests and as I tell people, yes, that's your time, I will update the module. And if you see next to the time, like say, and they're all evening times. They're like Monday, October 9th is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And I'll put a little hyphen in there, say taken. Okay. And then you're going to have to come back and figure out which of those 4 you want to use. All right. So that's the first thing that I want you to do. And that is for next week. You're not going to be presenting this week. You're going to be presenting next week. This week, you need to be meeting together as a group, finalizing your work, finalizing your presentation. If you're not sure what goes into the presentation, read the assignment sheet. It's all laid out there for you. If you have any questions, send it to me by way of email. All right. Now, the second thing that I want you to do this week that will be due by Monday of next week, that is October the 9th, is you have an opportunity to rewrite one of the 6 weekly exercises. And I think I only have 2 or 3 of your week 6 left to grade. So if you haven't gotten yours graded yet, it'll be done, probably by the end of today. All right. So if there's one of the 6 whose score you're just not thrilled with, all right, and you want to do better, pick that one. Tell me in the, on the title page, which one this is, the rewrite. And now this is not going to erase your score for that one, but it'll give you a chance. I will score it again at higher. So let's say, you got like 80 something. Let's say you got an 80. You score higher, you score like a 95, okay? And then we'll take the average of those 2, and that will move you from a B probably up to like an A-, okay, between the 2 of those. So back to the sentiment of writing is rewriting. Take advantage of that. Pick the one that you're like, yeah, man, I could have done this better. I kind of phoned it in, that you want to redo, and redo that one. Okay, so for this week, week 7, our second to last week, get your presentations ready. Think about one of the 6 that you would like to rewrite, and then rewrite it and submit it. It's not due until Monday, so you've got a good chunk of time. And then in our last week, week 8, you will present your semester project to me, your final pitch. Okay. And then that'll be it. We're done. Finished. All right. Okay, everybody. If you have questions, as always, please email me. I try to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. I will be in my office throughout this week, and I think next week as well. Okay, during those times. So if you have questions about your presentation or about the rewrite, please send me an email or ring me up. All right, everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Okay. Many, many blessings, and I will see you on Canvas. Bye-bye.